Did you know that nearly 70 million people struggle with or have sleep disorders? Imagine drifting off to sleep effortlessly. Yoga can be a secret weapon to get a better night's rest. Welcome to a soothing yoga practice designed to help you unwind and prepare for a restful sleep. These poses will melt away tension and guide you towards a more peaceful night. We all experience those restless nights, tossing and turning, unable to find comfort. Stress, anxiety, even our daily routines can disrupt our sleep patterns. Yoga offers a natural and effective way to contribute or combat these issues. Let's begin with some gentle poses to release tension. And you can do this even on the bed before you sleep. Come and join in. The first one is a child's pose. So just bringing your toes together, knees are wide, and want to extend our arms forwards and rest our head to the floor. In each poses, take 2 or 3 deep breaths, taking a breath in through the nose and out through the nose, relaxing the whole body down. So you should feel a nice lengthening down your back. The hips are slightly open. If the arms are really tired that day, you can always bring it to the side, let the palm face the ceiling, and just allow the arms to drop down by your side. You can look to the side or rest your forehead to the floor or bed, or you can look to the other side. So same thing, taking 2 or 3 slow breaths just to unwind and come to this space. Coming here, and then slowly pushing yourself up, we come into our cat and cow. So bringing your knees together, hands are shoulder width apart. Find your neutral back. It might be different every day, just somewhere neutral that your back feels comfortable. And then into rounding our back, so tucking your chin in, push your spine up to the ceiling, and you should feel a nice lengthening on the back. And as you tuck your chin in, you're also going to feel it down your neck. Then going the other way, dropping the belly down, looking ahead, and just roll your shoulders back slightly. Little engagement now in the back, but we're going to open up through our abs, our abdominal. And we're just looking ahead. No need to tilt so high, just ahead so that the neck's comfortable. And then same thing again, you can add the breath, inhale, and then exhale to push. And then breathing down, we go to the bottom, nice breath in, and breathing out. The other option is we can breathe in one way, and then breathe out the other way. So depending on how your body feels, or you can always explore. Or alternatively, it's breathing out as you push in, and breathing in as you drop down. And that's your cat and cow. The next one, just to get the blood flowing into the head again, is your downward facing dog. So from your cat and cow, tuck your toes, lifting your hips high, taking a breath in, and breathing out and shifting the weight back. Option here, you can actually walk your dog. So just bend one knee, press the other heel away, then switching sides. Allow the head just to rest by the side of your arms. Spread those fingers wide and make sure your elbows are slightly soft. We don't want to over-engage the elbows. Taking a breath in when you switch, breathing out as you stretch the calves. And just keeping the belly tucked in slightly so we keep that back protected, the lower back. And then dropping down to your knees. The last one is just rolling over to your back as we set up for sleeping too. So just grab the back of your knees, roll your spine down, and we're just bringing our knees to our chest, dropping it to one side of the floor, extending our arms into a twist. You can look up or look away. Plenty of options with the knees. You can bring the top knee to the chest, just keeping the hips comfortable, and just extending the other leg away. Or you can extend both legs away. You can look up to the ceiling or look away to the back. And that's our supine twist. Remember to change sides, so come back to the center, keep those knees bent, a little sway if you like. Wee! And then switching sides, so bending the knees and staying here. Remember to bring in the 2 to 3 breaths and just check that your hips are comfortable, your back is comfortable. You might fall asleep here, or if you're still awake, bring your knees back to the center. One little last hug, and then dropping the feet down. You can have a pillow underneath your knees. And just staying here again, bringing in those 2 to 3 slow breaths. If you like counting, you just breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1, out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and repeating it 3 times. When I do that in bed, I tend to doze off. Always love it with the in and out breath. And with that is all for this video. Now, incorporating these yoga poses into your bedtime routine can really improve your sleep quality. Remember, consistency is always key. Give your body time to adjust into this new routine, and it will love it. And if you have been doing this routine, did you find it helpful? Let us know, or let me know in the comments. Share your sleep improvement journey with me too. And did you find this sleep routine useful if you've done it a few times? Let me know in the comments. If not, share your sleep improvement journey with me, and subscribe for more videos. And subscribe for more wellness tips and relaxation techniques. Sweet dreams. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.